In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Paysafecard on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, go to Settings. In Settings, go to Users and Accounts. Then in Accounts, wait for a few seconds and go to Payment and Subscriptions. Now here go to Payment Methods. Then here you'll see Credit Debit Card. Go on it and press X. Now here you will see two ways to add a credit or debit card. The first way is to scan the QR code using the PlayStation app. And on the PlayStation app, you can add the Paysafecard. So if you want to do that way, you can scan the QR code through the PlayStation app. And the second way is to use controller instead. So go on controller instead and press X. Now here, add the debit credit card, the Paysafecard information, and after adding, go on continue, press X, and continue with adding the Paysafecard. So this is how you can use Paysafecard on your PS5. Thanks for watching.